Hey, gun people and horse people, I'll put this on both. I'm changing these valves on this. This little air valve, you can buy these little things, they're pretty cheap, but they always pop open in the heat. And then they let my gas evaporate. Now somebody's going to say, well, that's good so it doesn't blow. I've never had a tank blow because it couldn't vent. They sell these tanks with no vent. So if I put in a vent, I'm not changing the dynamics of how the thing is sold. I'm only helping it so it actually pours out quicker because it takes forever. So what I'm going to do here is, I'm in a tight quarter here. You can buy these little valves here. I got these on Amazon. If you want to know what they are, you get 4, I think. I can't remember how much they are. So when they come in a package, they look like so. They have a washer on top, a nut, the cap, etc. You take all that off and you're left with this. And now I have to get this to come out of the tube. And let's take a look at how we're going to do that. So first, I'm going to pop this little sucker off. So that's out. No more. This is obviously too big to go in here. The sill's got to go in there. So I got to feed this through and get this to come out here. I'm going to use this wire. Okay, I forgot because somebody's going to ask, what happens if you don't have a hole? Well, you need to drill a hole if you don't have one already in there. Use the 1/2 inch, the biggest usually bit in the set, and it should go right in there. I don't know if this says 1/2 inch on it or not. Use this drill bit, and it'll make the perfect hole for the, actually for either one of those. And I'm going to slide this on. Like so. If it's straight. Oh shit! I forgot an important step. Where's my little... I was like, alright, let me get all my tools together. I forgot. You have to remove the little valve stem thing in here. And I've got these little valve stem removers. Slide that in and unscrew it. These are always nice to have. I keep one in the car just in case I ever had the need to remove mine or someone else's to help them out. So you pull that out and now you have a clear hole. Now the wire will go through easier if it's straight. And then a little bend right here will stop it from going any further. So now I have to get this wire to come out here. I'm just gonna wires out here. Slide this around. That little bend is going to help me pull this out. And then it's out there. I need to put the this other washer on here, so I'll run it through the little wire there. And again, I'm putting mine upside down because that rubber washer is already coming here. So I'm going to put the flat side down to seal it. I could put this side and have them mash against each other. I'm not sure which one will work better. I put the flat side down. Okay? I'm sure there's a lot of ways to do this. If you don't want to do it this way, that's fine too. So once I get that on there, I have my washer. That comes with it, of course. That goes there to protect the rubber from the nut, and then I have the nut, which goes on there. I'm going to put that on there and just tighten that up. I probably should have a little wrench that has set for it. Somebody's going to be yelling at me for using an improper tool. I have all the tool experts always correcting me. This is probably the wrong tool too, but I'll use it. So this is just kind of like crimping those two rubber pieces together and making a good seal so you don't get any leaks. Kind of feels like it's twisting a little bit. So I don't want to strip my threads, but I'm going to go ahead and hold this. I don't remember having this problem on the other one. Okay, you can tell this is pretty flattened down, that washer. It's pretty flat. I'll zoom in on that for you. That screwing action, flatten that out pretty good. Just so you can see what I was doing, I'll give it one more turn or so. And there we go. We have a good solid seal. I pull my wire out backwards. Oh, hang on. So I'm just feeding this back out. I remember this was kind of an issue, getting it out this last little bit. I had to shove something down there to get it out. And then it pops out. And then once it's out, I have my little metal cap here. And now I have a nice little vent, metal, not going to be plastic and pop off and do all that other crap like this. So I went from this to this. Alright, I got one more to do, but I think you get the idea. So I'll do that one and then I'll be good to go. Y'all have a good one.